Sheena here. Today we will be talking about arterial.
It's actually atherosclerosis.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Atherosclerosis, otherwise known as the arteriosclerotic vascular disease, is a specific term for arteriosclerosis. Wait, don't get stressed. Arteriosclerosis is a general term used for the thickening of the artery walls.
Arterio meaning artery and sclerosis meaning hardening.
Two types of arteriosclerosis are so difficult. The difference between these two is that arteriolosclerosis is arteriolosclerosis happening at the arterioles, those very thin arteries, those little branchy vessels, while atherosclerosis happens on the larger arteries. And this happens because something is clogging the arteries at the endothelium of the vessel. Low-density lipoproteins, which is more known as bad cholesterol, damages the endothelial cells, which makes these proteins go between the endothelium and tunica media. Over time, this builds up and triggers your WBC or your white blood cells and start consuming them. As your leukocytes consume more lipoproteins, they die, still inside the layer. These dead cells are called foam cells and they add to the fatty streak, occluding the lumen. Platelets then start the clotting process, creating smooth muscle tissue to replace the damaged tunica media, which in this case doesn't need any replacement.
This then creates a fibrous cap. The circulation process stops there.
This fibrous cap, the lipoproteins and the foam cells form what is known as plaque. The smooth muscle cells form then secrete calcium crystals, which are supposed to be removed by the high-density lipoproteins or your good cholesterol, but was stopped by the atheromatous, yes, that's right, atheromatous plaque, leading to the stiffening of the arteries. However, the fibrous cap on the plaque does not always succeed in capping. Sometimes the plaque goes out of its fibrous cap, which is caused by the body's response to the inflammation, increasing the heart rate. When the plaque goes out, this creates another clotting episode, where a scab is formed inside the vessel, which seriously can occlude the artery. And this is atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis can lead to the following: myocardial infarction, angina, stroke, arteriolosclerosis. In worst cases, it may appear in the renal artery and cause hypertension and kidney failure. So basically, all organs can have cell injury and death due to atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis can remain asymptomatic for years until it can affect an organ. Ways to identify if one has atherosclerosis is by angiography, where the arteries are being looked at using medical imagery techniques. And if someone really does have atherosclerosis, please see me. Just kidding, but seriously, it can be treated with medications, diet changes or restrictions, and surgery. However, nothing does better at treating diseases than just preventing it in the first place. Ways to prevent atherosclerosis is avoiding smoking because it damages the endothelium. And of course, having a healthy lifestyle, a balanced diet, and it should be paired with some good exercise.
Should it be you?
Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And here is Osmosis talking more about into the topic. And you can go to IsKaalaman.com for more details. Goodbye!